Abdali Grammar School. Discover English 2. Lesson Then and Now. Chapter number 5. Lecture number 9. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Then and Now. Paragraph number 1. Words. Synonyms. Communication, बात करना, reporting, presenting. Travel, सफ़र करना, move, proceed. Fast, तेज, speedy, quickly. Easy, आसान, calm, simple. Come on the next slide. News, खबरें, information, report. Ago, पहले, before, since. Different, मुख्तलिफ, unlike, opposed. Fast way of communication. Look at there. There are some way of fast communication that we have in our modern age. Fast way of travel. Look at there. There are some fast way of traveling. Today, communication and travel are fast and it's easy to get news. How is communication and travel nowadays? Today, communication and travel are fast and it's easy to get news. Get there. It is a picture of an old time. But a long time ago, things were very different. As you shown in this picture, it is totally different from the modern time of travel and communication. Paragraph number 2. Words. Synonyms. Long ago, बहुत पहले, before, since. Later, बाद में, after, behind. Mailed, भेजना, post, send. Carried, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचाना, convey, transfer. Quickly, जल्दी से, fastly, speedily. Communication. Look at there. Long ago, people used letters to communicate. Look at there. Letters are only the media to convey the messages to one another. In the old time, people used letter to communicate in past. They mailed letters to friends and families. Look at there. A man is posting his letter in the letter box They mailed letters to friends and families to all over the world. Look at here. Letters were carried by horse and cart and letter by train or boat. How were letters carried in past? Letters were carried by horse and cart and letter by train or boat. Look at there. Today communication is different and letters are carried by airplane. As you shown in this picture, there are some modern way of communication. However, letters are carried nowadays. Today communication is different and letters are carried by airplane. There are some fast way of communication. We can use email, text messages or phone calls to communicate quickly with friends and families all over the world. Name some fast way of communication that we have nowadays. We can use email, text messages or phone call to communicate quickly with friends and families all over the world. Paragraph number 3. Words. Synonyms. Talked, बात करना, speak, chat. Get, हासिल करना, obtain, gain. Started, शुरू करना, begin, create. Listen, सुनना, hear, pay attention. Want, चाहना, wish, want, news. Before newspaper, people talk to each other to get news. Before newspaper, how people get news? Before newspaper, people talk to each other to get news. Look at this picture. Then people printed the news on paper and newspaper started. How is newspaper started? People printed the news on paper and newspaper started. As you shown in this picture, a man is printing news on paper. Look at there. Later they listened to the radio for news. After some time, how people listen news? Later they listen to the radio for news. As you are showing in this picture, people are listening news from radio. Today we can get news anytime we want. Now the time is totally changed. How can we get news nowadays? We can get news easily anytime we want from internet or TV channels. Paragraph number 4. Words. Synonyms. ट्रैवल सफ़र करना, मूव, कैरी। डिस्टेंस फासला, रेंज, गैप। वेंट जाना, गो, जर्नी। डिफ़िकल्ट मुश्किल, हार्ड, टफ। अक्रॉस पास से, ओवर, बियॉन्ड। ट्रैवल people traveled for 2 days from New York to Boston in the past time. People long ago walked from place to place or traveled by horse and cart. How do people travel in past? People long ago walked from place to place or traveled by horse and cart, as you shown in this picture. Look at there. When they traveled long distance, they went by train or ship. Look at this picture. People use train and boat for long distance. How people travel long distance? They travel long distance. They went by train or boats. Look at there. It was slow and difficult. This type of traveling is very slow and difficult. It takes many time to move from one place to another. It was slow and difficult way of traveling. Look at there. It takes 30 minutes to travel from New York to Boston today. By airplane, it takes only 30 minutes to move from New York to Boston. We can travel to places across the ocean or across the world in a day. How can we travel to place across the ocean or across the world in a day? We can travel to places across the ocean or across the world by airplane. Look at there. There are some fast way of communication or travel. Travel is fast and easy now. How is the way of traveling nowadays? Travel is fast and easy now by these